installation videos. Use a 2.5mm or 3/32 pin punch, punch out the rear sight retaining pin. Tap the rear sight towards the receiver and slide the sight assembly off the rear sight base. Slide the clamp-on base onto the rear sight base grooves. Align the hole of the base with the holes of the rear sight base, insert the retaining bolt. Apply thread locker to threads, screw the nut onto the bolt and tighten until snug. Screw 3 countersunk bolts into the clamp-on base. Tighten to 30 inch-pounds max. Apply thread locker to 2 elevation retaining set screws and tighten until snug. Screw the Picatinny rail onto the base with 3 Torx head screws. Tighten to 20 inch-pounds. The installation is now complete.